this is what Miss Pam and Wild Dorothy brought you today. Okay? Look in the bag. What are they?
Sprinkles.
How many sprinkles are in there?
100.
What do you think of that?
I love it. Daddy, come look.
Okay, I'll be right there.
Ooh, we never got green sprinkles. Come look at mine. And look, new leaf. They're leaf ones.
No way.
And look, chocolate ones, just like I wished for. And more chocolate. Ah!
They're all sticking together from the sticky tape? Aren't they?
Look, new sprinkle. Come look in here, Dad. Come in. Look in. Look, we have two. We have lots of yellow ones. Actually, it's orange is yellow.
What are you going to do with all those?
I don't know.
It's a lot of sprinkles for ice cream, isn't it? And cookies.
Cupcake and
Yeah.
a cake.
What do you say?
Thank you. Oh, I did see those sprinkles. Aren't they beautiful?
They are beautiful.
Ooh.
Okay.
Look.